Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this evening. I'm out in the shade again on the east side of the house. I picked this up from Amazon. It was right at 35 bucks online. It's a cool little grill that you can use, but this is not the reason why I bought it. The reason why I bought it is if you ever go camping and you need to take and have a place where you can use one of your camp ovens. You can always build a fire in there, and then you can take and set your camp oven on it like this, so you don't have to use a table. And if you didn't want to cook straight on the ground, this would be a great little thing you can use. And for 35 bucks, it's definitely worth doing, especially if you go camping a lot, or if you're going to be, somewhere in a park or something where they don't let you build a fire on the ground. You can take and set it on top of a picnic table, a metal picnic table or something. Put your coals in the bottom, put your Dutch oven on or camp oven on top. You're good to go. Hope everybody has a great day.